What is up everyone, how are you doing? And in this quick tutorial we will fix Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 sound problem. So before the short video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So to fix sound problem in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, simply first of all you just need to tap on settings and just watch complete video and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Also this will fix your problem.